Well, hey folks, these here are the Victor Gopher Mole Vole Sonic Pest Repellers. As you can see, I already got a hole in there. I already dropped it in there. I got to pack this one in tighter, and I'm going to push it down a little more so the top's flush with the soil. But I wanted to show you what it looks like. So this is it right here. So you can kind of see how long that is. Let me put my hand up here for comparison. So it's pretty good size. It has to go in there. Now you can hear it making the noise. Now they say don't hammer this in because you'll crush it. It's just thin ABS. Here, let's listen to that noise again. It's every 15 seconds. So it buzzes for about a second every 15 seconds, and that's supposed to be enough to drive them out of your yard. I used a little auger on my drill to drill down, and then to finish the end of it off, I just used one of these tree stakes here that I had left over, pounded that in there enough. Once I put it in there, I'm going to pack it real tight in there because you want this to make good contact with the soil so it carries the noise throughout it. It takes 3 D batteries. Let me show you the inside. All right, folks, so here's the inside. You can see it's just 3 D batteries and a little buzzer. That's all it is. A little circuit board there that tells it to go off every 15 seconds. Listen. And that just slides right in the tube like this. You put the cap on, it has a rubber seal, so it shouldn't let water in. Then you drop it in there. All right, folks.